on this computer. Perfect. So it's recorded and I posted eventually. All right, which day are we doing? All right. Anyone have March 21st, April, June, middle one? Middle one, April 4th. Okay, let's do April 4th then. Your birthday, March 21. Okay, March 21. Okay, March 21. So happy birthday. What day is this? March 15. Happy early birthday. Guess what? My birthday was March 10th. So we can be brothers. 36. Okay. March 2019, March 21st. So let's do 18 because 21st is Thursday. We're gonna do 18. Perfect. 18. There's a 5. We're gonna chill this week. I'm not gonna do like 10,000, 50,000 account. Let's do 1,000, and then risk. How much risk you guys want to do? I just want to take it easy this week. No, not gonna do that some crazy shit. 30 minutes. 5, 15, 5. Perfect. Okay. 10%, 5%. Okay, let's do 10%. Perfect. And we have the daily, sorry, not daily, new London open at 8 o'clock, so 2 hour prior, which is going to be 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock, right? Yeah, 6 o'clock. Going to move to 6 o'clock right away. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Perfect. Yeah. Okay. So let's see right here. We have. Oh. So the week before we have 400 pip. Last week 500 pip. Thursday, Friday consolidation. Okay. So we are waiting for a big move to happen. If 2 days back to back that has that consolidate right here, this one and this one, Thursday and Friday, that means the next day, I'm pretty sure 100% the next day will be pretty wild, at least. Okay, so we mark out the high. This is quite small. This is very tiny. Let's see what we can do with that. Okay, so this is the range, daily high, daily low, right here, daily high, daily low. And let's go for 30 minutes. I want to see what we can do. So this is 100, less than 100 pips. We have Let's see. Can I do a straight line with this? Oh, not this one. Oh yeah, I can. Fake out here doesn't count. Kind of tap. Okay, so for weekly outlook for the sim, we are gonna look at how this is. Oh, so Monday is gonna be very important. If we have a break here, then on Tuesday, it's gonna retrace back here at this level. This is 148.5, 148.5, and then it's gonna drop first TP. If we're looking at swing level, this one would be for first TP, and then I think here will be second. This one will be last. Remember this. I think this is gonna happen. Or if we have a break above, then it's just gonna continue. But this is 150 level, and from when I was zoom out on the when I zoom out in 1 hour, it looked like we are at the high of all time. So I think we can actually do a drop from 148 to 143, 500 pips drop for the week maybe. Especially I see that, Friday, Thursday consolidate is gonna have a big move either right here today or here. Okay, so any fake out, I need to be careful. 140. Okay, 148.5 might be a fake out. Let's see. Okay, 148. And this is pip. Okay, so I'm just worried that you might do a little bit fake up before it drops. So that was the bias. Oh, I forgot the mid zone. Nice. I don't think mid zone is necessarily for today, but this look like should do it. Okay, perfect. Let's play. And see what happens. Yeah, yes, is allowed. I should mute myself when I do that. Do you, babe? 140, 145, 46. Is there? Oh, that's right. We're gonna check news. Good eye, good eye, good eye. Pound yen, euro. Okay. Average index. Is it 19? No, tomorrow. Okay, so we don't have news today. We have news tomorrow. We have news tomorrow. And then CPI the day after. I think that's it. And then retail sales. Oh, news day, perfect. News. I love news day. Okay. Can we come back to the high? This zone, how big is this? This 14, 20. Let me fix the. Oh, it's coming back. If let me see. Let me check this out. Because what I'm seeing right now here is the 30 minutes and 15 minutes. Also, we have the lower low. Sorry, the low, higher low, right? Higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low. Basically, higher low all the way, right? And then we have broke down this level, lower low, created the new lower low, and this level did not make any higher high. So this is higher low, higher low, higher low, right? And this one did not make any higher high, telling me that price is exhausted and it might continue to go down. And we have to confirm right here, making a lower low. Now price is gonna come back at this level for retest, maybe a little bit lower since I marked this up, this candle, and also this candle. So we might actually have an entry here and then a stop loss go down. So I want to see what we can, if we can do an entry right now. 5 minutes. If this close like this, okay. Okay, 5 minute close, very nice. Let's see, right, like that. The thing I don't like right now, because the range is kind of small, this is about 40 pip, 20, 25 pip, yeah, 40, 35, 25. Okay, so let's take a sell. Let's do 10%. And stop loss, I want to be kind of safe. So have to at least over here, which is 148.36. We will do, right now it's 15 pips already. 15 pips, so 5 and 10, let's do 25. Can we do a 25 pip? Okay, 25, perfect, just right above this line too. For just in case it's fake out. And then we TP right here, 134, 147. We're gonna watch how it plays right here. If any sort of rejection, I think I'm gonna close. But since this is kind of 1-to-1 RR, I'm gonna hold just right here to 147.65. And we have a R of 2. So if this go up, then there is no trade. If this go up, there is no trade. With this bias and pattern telling me to sell. So if I'm wrong, then I'm wrong. Nice drop. We are 1 hour before London Open. I'm gonna kind of mute myself while I think I know kind of it's too loud. Oh, 30-minute close below this. Very nice. And the if we are looking at right here, right, I was mentioning this candle and this 30-minute candle, right? And let's we line up taking, because this candle 30-minute candle line up with the 15, which was perfect rejection right in the zone as well, so which is good. And hopefully this price doesn't close above the orange zone. If it close above, and then if price close even above right here, then we gotta cut out our losses. But it seems like we are okay. 30 more minutes until open. So we have it open in 5 minutes. Ooh, nice. Well, let's see where this is. 1 hour. 1 hour. Nice. Oh, double top, same candle. That is for sure. It's gonna drop after this drop. Like that. I'm gonna put at a break even. Just wanted to close below. Yeah. Okay. 5 minute close below. We gonna put at break even. We have making lower high, lower low, lower low. Look like gonna be doing a small retest, and then we should be able to continue. And this is at 147 or 148 level, 148 level. GP couple pips away from the daily low. Should be safe. Because I think we can drop all the way to this 200 pip. Nice, perfect. Yeah, because this 200 pip is quite large, so I think we can actually tank all the way down. But for safety, we gotta take TP before. Excellent, beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna turn this off, and we move on for next day. That was simple enough. Okay, you can delete this zone. Now, let me mark that up first. Okay, let's go to, what was it again? 8, so 6 o'clock, right? 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock, 6 o'clock. Oh, he actually went all the way. 30-minute double bottom, sorry, double top retest. Okay, 6 o'clock, 1, 3, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, let's mark up the zones. How come you took the entry on 5-minute close? It's not a week. How come you took an entry on 5-minute close? Is it not a reconfirm? No, it better confirm obviously is going to be 15 minutes and 30 minutes close, but if you want a more precise entry, you got to look at 5 minutes, and the 5 minutes was exactly right in the zone, so it was no problem at all. Weekly 1 hour. Okay, where is this in 30 minutes? 30 minutes. Okay, so this is good. Okay, this one is kind of big, so we're gonna go in 15 minutes. Fix up a little bit, and 5 minutes. Let's see, 5 minutes. Okay, we will use this candle. Okay, I think this is gonna be chart for the day. 1 hour looks good. 30 minutes looks good. Okay, all right. So I just want to go back to what we were looking at before. Yeah, yeah. Actually 30 minutes will do better. 30 minutes. Okay, remember this? We were looking at this trend, making a consolidation right here, consolidation right here, and then we have kind of lower lows, right? And then perfect. We broke this low. Now we are looking for perfect retest at this level. So basically only sells today. We're gonna sell right there, or if it continue higher, we can sell here. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna sell here. And then if I take a loss, whatever, and I'm gonna take another sell here if it come to this level. And I think this we can hold a swing at least to this level, which is 145.5 ish. So swing we can hold a swing on Tuesday right now, from because the intraday level telling me that it should be a sell. Okay, okay, all right. So we're just gonna wait and see what happened. Gonna wait here. I'm missing moves because I'm waiting for 30-minute close. Closes yourself straight into liquidity zone. Yeah. 30-minute and 15-minute is kind of give you some hints, and then afterward you wait for a pullback or retest in 5 minutes for entry. Okay. What level is this? 148. Oh, this is excellent. This is 148. Nice. Okay, 148. We're gonna wait for 148. I think we had news, right? We have the average earning index, previous 3.5, forecast 3.2. Also, unemployment rate. So we have two news today. Perfect. So CPI tomorrow. Okay. 9 o'clock. When is that? 9 o'clock. Okay. Oh, it came out early. The news came out early because it's supposed to be at 9:30. One and a half hour after London Open. That's what's supposed to come out. So I guess today came out early. We have the London Open already, and we still don't have a trade. Consolidation. Yeah, don't try to do anything here since it's very clear that it's consolidating, right? Wait for it to break out. If you don't follow my daily high or whatever mid zone strategy, then the best is to wait for this, right? You entry there and then you take a buy or sell. That's going to be the best um, idea if you don't follow my shit. Yeah, it's gonna go up, tap 148, and then go down. It's gonna explode. Yeah, it's gonna explode towards. It's gonna tap and then go low. Where did you learn? I learned in my home, in my house, on my computer. Let's see. My resource. I had a couple mentor before. When I first started, about three and a half years now. Before I was with some scammers. I also joined it Forex Family. I also joined it um, that FX Trader very long time ago. But I couldn't find any success. So and then I purchased uh, the the simulation. Ooh. And I purchased the simulation. I backtest everything, and I developed this strategy on myself. 148. I really want to tap 148 PPL level because it is within the level, right? So let's say if the PPL level on higher, so let's say 148 is right there, then I will take a sell once it tap this zone because I don't think it go any higher. But since 148 PPL is exactly right in here, I would much prefer it to go to 148. I would actually put a pending here, pending sales, and drop. Hold on, let me close my shit. Okay. Uh, this is super late. This is. Let's see what happened to the news. I don't even remember. Employment. Okay, so average earning index is 3.4, better than forecast, but worse than previous employment rate 3.9. Basically, kind of worse, kind of bad, but it's around a little bit around the same. Only 0.1%. It's not a huge deal. So average earning index is basically fucking this shit up. So previous was 3.5, right? Forecast 3.2, and then actual 3.4, basically in the middle of it. So I think it's gonna consolidate. Uh, yeah, the offer mentorship. Yeah, so there is a waiting list. Just message me and I will get you in when everything is open. Okay, maybe can we get a? I guess we gotta do a New York section today since this shit happened. Because 148, I'm pretty confident 148 will tap. Where's 148? It's 148. 148. Okay, 148 is right here. Still about 10 pip away. Oh, okay. Let's see. What time is it right now? Exactly 1 hour before New York. 1 hour before New York. Assuming I have a pending right here, I would have entered. Um, can we do a can we entry right now? Okay, 140. I'm gonna take a sell. I'm gonna take a sell here. Because if this is real life, I would have a pending at exactly 148. So let's take a sell. And then stop loss about right here, 10 to 15 pips above. So 10 pip, let's say 10 pip right here, 10. Okay, still 13. 13. Intraday level TP. So today we're gonna have at least TP here. So basically 6 RR already. And then for the swing level, we were looking at this level, right? Yeah, this is good. This is good zone. This candle line up here, and what are we? 145, 145.2. Okay, 145.2 swing level. Swing TP. That is how many pips is that? 200, 280, 280 swing level. Okay. Oh shit. I have virus. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Perfect. Why are the cells? The cells, does the swing level, the weekly outlook tell me that we should drop from here? We broke this trend, right? So right now we're doing a retest. An intraday level line up in this zone, and we'll also line up at PPL at 148. And we have a wick entry right there. Yeah, I in real life I would have entered at 148, but since we are kind of we missed that, and we luckily we had the wick entry, and there we go. Let's see if we can keep going. I mean, it looks good. 15, double check 15. 15 is good too. 15 is all right. Okay. 1 hour. We have New York open. Okay, New York open. We don't have news, right? Okay, we don't have news. So we have CPI tomorrow. Okay. For pending, because for I would have pending sales right here. I don't for pendings you don't really wait for candle confirmation, right? Because for pending you just either you do waiting for this to break out, continue pending sales or buys, or you think you anticipate that there is a rejection right here, which was exactly what I was thinking. This intraday level zone line up at exactly 148 ppl level, swing level. We had a sell, we have a drop sell bias, so this is kind of perfect level for our pending, and we are back in the consolidation zone. Now we have to wait for price to drop, and then we should be good. After this drop, we'll put it at break even. Okay, we have the New York open now. 1 minute close, very nice. It's kind of very late right now. Are we gonna consolidate for the whole day? Ooh. Let's see what happened. Are we gonna hit stop loss? Nice. I just need the price to break here, which is 147.5. Have you even a stop loss before? Was one of those? I don't even know what you're talking about. What do you mean? Have you even a stop loss before? Was one of those? Was one of what? Are we heading in London close? Yeah, 1 hour to London close. I not liking this. It's taking way too long. I'm gonna put at a break even at the London close. After London close, I'm gonna put at break even. We have the London close. Okay, perfect. So London close, we have the triple top. That is the last signal for me to put at a break even. Put at a break even, and we're gonna wait. Hopefully, we'll hit this today. If this is the case, if this is real life, would you still let it run? Because yeah, I still let it run just like right now. Just put at a break even. After the price do a triple top or triple bottom of any sort, after the triple, not double, triple top, triple bottom, that is the last. That is where you put at break even. Because after that, if it doesn't go, then you're wrong. Okay, let's delete. Actually, I'm gonna hold this. Okay. Well, we have some sort of big spread going on because daily is about to close. Just gonna let it play instead of moving forward. We might hit stop loss or break even. So no entry, no nothing. Just gonna hold this, and then we'll see what happened in New York. 148. Oh, so it hit our stop loss break even. Now we just basically right now we are not looking at a chart, right? So we're gonna move to 876. So 6 o'clock once again. 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock. Okay. And gonna remark all this. What a shitty day, eh? Can't get them all though. Okay. All right. So we're gonna move. We're gonna move right here. The daily high. Daily low. Where's the daily low? Daily low. This here. Oh my god. What is this garbage? This is 40 pip. Oh shit. So yesterday we moved 50 pips. Oh fuck. What does it look like in 1 hour? Oh. Okay. we're gonna have a big day, yeah. We're gonna have a big day today. So instead of this is tricky. This is very tricky. Now, since this level is only 40, 50 pip, we are actually gonna use this, the daily low. We're gonna actually use the Monday low for daily low, and this one we're gonna use it as the mid. And copy and delete this. And then we're gonna fix up a little bit there, 30 minutes. Let's see, 30 minutes. Yeah, this song is good. So this is the mid-level. And we're gonna fix that. We are gonna fix that too. Let's see, 15 minutes. 15 minutes. Okay. 15 minutes, we're gonna take this one. The mid-level, I think this one is good. Okay. And then 5 minutes for the daily low. We're gonna use this again. Okay, let's see what it looks like. Okay, perfect. This looks so much better for a regular day, 100 pip, 80 pip, 90 pip. So since yesterday we have only, let's use 30 minutes. So since yesterday we have only what, 40 to 50 pip range. No doubt we're gonna break today. Just where, okay, perfect. So basically the same thing here, drop below, hold the low, and then doing a retest this level. And then we're gonna do a first TP there, second TP for swing level. Does it make sense? Okay. Right now 6 o'clock. Okay. Oh, 30 minutes already have a tab. Okay. I know you're in here, one of my private student. You should be able to catch what pattern this is. Spot this and you know what to do. Okay, now we're gonna play, oops. Okay, let me copy this. This level actually very important right now. Okay. All right, I think there is a trade coming in. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Let me see. Here is still in. Okay. All right. Let's see, what time is it? 6. Oh, it's still super early. Do we have CPI today? Yes, we do. CPI in after London Open. So CPI might move, might am I gonna have a big move? So we'll take a look there. I'm actually looking for an entry right now. If this candle have a rejection, fuck, that's too big a rejection. Don't tell me we missed it. This is 147, 148. Goddamn, 147.8. Okay, I'm looking at 5 minutes. 5 minutes, perfect. So basically, what I'm looking at right now, since once again our overall bias for the weekly outlook is bearish, right? Swing to the bottom. So basically, I'm looking at sells. This pattern, we have a triangle. We broke below. And then we're gonna look for a retest, which happened in 5 minutes. This candle, line up to this candle, line up to this candle, and this too. So this zone is pretty solid. Now I'm gonna take a sell real quick and look for, yeah, 15 minutes is good. Where would be our stop loss now? Stop loss right here would be, so for right now it's 5. 5 plus 10 is 15. Where is that gonna be? 15 level, 15 pip, 15 pip. Is this safe? Is it safe enough? 30 minutes. Okay, just a little bit above, because this is right at this candle, right? So I'm gonna put it at 16 should be enough. 16 should be enough. And then where's the swing level TP at? Okay, we're gonna watch. Now we're gonna watch price react to this zone. It should no problem breaking this. And then first TP would be right here. RR is very nice, 4 RR to 147.12. And then final would be right here, 145.2, 145.2. We're gonna swing this, 0.2, let's go. Okay. The thing is, we just have to, this trade have to live through the CPI. What else we have? Oh, we have a PMA speak too. Fucking May. So we have to live through CPI in about 2 hours. We have to live through that, and then should be good to go, because this is a PMA speak at New York, so that's kind of late during the day, so we should be okay. Just gonna live through here, CPI. Once the price broke below here, the mid zone, then we can move to break even. CPI in about 2 hours. Perfect drop. Nice. Very nice. We have the New York London Open right now. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Open 5 minutes. Very nice. 5 minute close below that. And now we have our retest here in 15 minutes also. So we should be okay. I'm just worried that you will have a double top retest. So, and then maybe a high wick. So haven't put it at that break even just yet. Damn, keep moving shit. Solid, solid. We are 30 minutes before the news come out. Huh. I'm gonna put a break even here. This 5 minutes kind of consolidate in this zone. If my bias is wrong, like if the bearish bias is wrong, we have a potential that respecting this level and then shoot up. I'm gonna put that break even right away just in case it messed up. Oh, actually the news come out already. 1 point CPI 1.8, 1.8, 1.9. So they didn't make a big difference there. 30 minutes. 30 minutes. Okay, 30 minutes close below. We are good. I think we are safe. We are safe. If we wish, we can also take some profit here also. But I think we have a breakout since we have only 50 pips yesterday. Yeah, so breakout should be good. Nice. Perfect retest. 30-minute close below. Perfect 30-minute close below. We have the last retest. Okay, last retest and should be good to go. I think that's it. No more retests. Nice tab. Once you tab VTP. Okay. We have break even ready, so we close. We're gonna close 50%, and we let it ride to let it ride to swing level. Nice. We have a break. Swing level that is what, 200. 270 pip. Since we already closed, we don't have to worry about anything. Just to let it do its thing. Any sort of rejection like this, do not buy, because you already have the bias, bear bias set up, right? And you're already in a trade. There's no point of getting into any more trade. And I'm just gonna fast forward a little bit for Thursday. Why didn't you re-enter if it was the last retest? Because I mean, you could right here, right? If you want, obviously you can. You also line up at the 147.8 level, or this zone right here, which is a good PPL level. But I already have this entry. I don't need to do a second entry. But obviously, if you want, you could. I'm not saying you can't. Excuse me. Fast forward. Let's go. Let's go. I don't think we hit that today. Maybe tomorrow. We drop. Oh, we drop 200 pips. Perfect retest. Once again, dropping the daily level. Retest right here. Maybe we can come here. Maybe. I don't think we can tap this today. Maybe tomorrow. Perfect. So we are into tomorrow. Let's go to 6 o'clock once again. 6 o'clock. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 o'clock. Let me delete all this junk. Oops. I gotta. No problem. Talk to you later. And we cannot. This method is only for GJ. I don't trade gold. Okay. This song is the same. What? What? Okay. Perfect. So 1 hour, we have this good levels. Okay. Let's see if we have anything here. 1 hour and then 30 minutes. Okay, 30 minutes. We're gonna use this one. Okay. Let me fix that. Perfect. Okay, let's see what it looks like. Okay. We have 12, 120. We are almost TP at the swing level right here. Can we have a retrace? That is the question. Can we have a huge retrace? Let's see. You can also use this one. Actually, this one is better. This one is gonna be better. Okay. Fixed up in 15 minutes. 5 minutes. And yeah. Okay, this one is good. Okay, so my bias remained the same for the weekly outlook, right? We are almost there. Let's just 1 hour this time. This is kind of far. Okay, perfect. We have this, and then we have our break, a retest, drop. I'm eyeing this level, so we have still a little bit more to go. So basically right now I am looking at a retest right here, go down. If this price did a double top, then it's gonna come here and then we're gonna take a sell from this level. So we either sell here or sell here and then continue to TP this level. I think that makes sense. I think that makes the most sense right now. Okay, I'm gonna play. So once you have your bias, you basically enter on spiking to the mid zone and daily high. Yeah, sure, you can say that. So yeah, daily bias is obviously is going to be important, but the level that you mark up is extremely important as well. And you can either wait for it to spike to that zone, take the entry, or you wait for rejection candle at those levels. Oh, okay, here we go. Oops. Ooh, I did not see this candle. 1 hour. Ugly candle. Ugly candle. Right on top of this zone. So it canceled out this candle. So, since we have the bear bias, right? And this candle looks like rejection from the daily low, right? However, we have a next candle right here, basically a rejection doji, pin bar, whatever you call it, rejection candle, and basically cancel out this candle. And we're gonna wait for the next candle to see what happened. And hopefully, I really want to enter here, but if this candle have any rejection, we might actually sell from here. What level? 146. 146. 146. What are we looking at? 146.2? 146. No. Yeah, this is 146. So just let's see. We'll see. Minor zones. Let's line up 30-minute. Okay, we line up in 30 minutes. Oh, 5 minutes. Look at this 5-minute rejection. I'm still not comfortable with this. I need more confirm. I really want to wait for a sell here. We are 1 hour in. Do we have news? News, we have retail sales. Okay, retail sales. Okay, we have the hour close. Bearish candle. So let's say if this candle right here happens in here, right? This little wick at top, and then it's still, it was a bearish candle. If this candle happened here, 100% is going to sell. But now, since this candle is basically on support, but we have a minor zone right there, just want to double check. 30 minutes, 30 minutes. This candle is very nice too. So 1 hour, 30-minute line up. 15 doesn't have nothing. 5 minutes, 5 minutes we have this candle. I'm actually thinking we have early sales, but our stop loss would be about 40 stop loss for if we are TP. If we TP, where is this gonna be? If we TP 145, where is that? Okay, so if we enter here, stop loss is 50, 45. Entry, I mean exit at 70 or 80. So basically almost 1 to 2. It's tricky motherfucker. Okay, let's see what it plays out. Let's see if the 5 minutes come back here. If the 5 minute come back here and show the same rejection, then I'll take a sell. If not, I really want to wait for the gray. Let's see. Basically right now here it looks like consolidation, right? Consolidate right here. And then we're gonna do a breakout maybe. Who was talking? Anyone? Was someone talking? Oh, this one is so hard. I'm watching 5 minutes. One more 5 minutes. This is it. Give me a good one. We have a 15-minute close. Nope. Okay, we're gonna wait for the next one. Let me look at 1 minute. 1 minute. Doesn't look good. Two candles. It's this gonna be it. Right here we are almost to open. 30 more minutes to open. So this zone was basically if I have entered after this candle, I was gonna put break even after this candle. After price broke this candle, I'll put a break even just in case. Oh shit! I think we might miss it because this 1 hour candle was very good signal too. They line up with the 30 minutes candle. We just have the stop loss. The safe stop loss would be way above. We could put stop loss above this orange as well, but the safest is above the gray. That's why I really wanted to have a good confirm. Yeah, so we missed it, and we just have no trade for today, I guess. Thursday, yep. Okay, yeah, so no trade, we're done. We have the new London Open now. This was the move. And we would have our first TP and the swing. Can we touch the swing? Oh, come on. Why you don't sell on your repeat? Why didn't I sell? I just explained it. Bro, you gotta pay attention, man. You keep asking me questions that I already explained. Okay, so so we have that swing TP. Perfect. So that swing TP, how many pip was that? It was from here. Nice. This was about 2,700. Perfect swing. And in 5 minutes, you see this rejection. That is very nice. And we are good. So I guess that swing cover the trade of today. We didn't take any trade. And we're gonna skip to Friday. Last day of Friday, we have we just have retail sales right now. Friday, tomorrow, 22nd. We don't have nothing. We have a lot of news in New York. Okay, it's all good. We don't need to do anything. Ooh, keep going. Perfect. Oh, shit. Let's see what level that is. This is at 1 hour. Oh, it filled this wick, basically. It filled this wick, right? Okay. 6 o'clock, right? 9, 8, 7, 6 o'clock. Okay. So the swing, basically the swing perspective, the weekly outlook have is being played out. So we're gonna delete that. This is all nice and done. We don't need to look at that anymore. And today on Friday, we're just gonna go about on whatever we do on Friday. First, mark up the zones. Okay. Let me delete these ones. Yep. 1 hour. Okay. 1 hour. This is good level. Yeah, I see it line up. 30 minutes looks good. 15 looks good. 5 minutes looks good. It's a good zone. Okay. Let's see. So on Friday, I'd like to look at how many pips we did. We did about 400. I think the last week we had 500, right? The last week we have about 500. The week before we have 400. So this week 400 should be 420. Should be quite enough. I don't think we're gonna go any lower. I don't think, at least. Now we are at this important level. This is 145.8, 145, 145.8. We're gonna look at that. 145.8. 45.8. Yep. I think we have a bias now. Let's see. Just one sec. Yep. So we're gonna come here, 145.8. Sell. I see there is some potential zone that we might reject, but we should be able to at least close below here. Close below here and continue. If not, the other way is I can't really buy here because once this break, we might have a buy, but I don't think it looks like a buy. Just in case though, we might have to look at the buy because I don't think we're gonna go anything below since we have already for 420 pips for the week. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna let it play and see how it goes. Martin sells. Let's go. It happened 145.8. Hopefully we will get 145.8. I would probably have a pending there too, just like the week a couple of days ago. 0.8. My favorite is 0.8. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Oh, we have having rejection right now. 1 hour prior to open. Let's see this 30-minute close. Okay, let's see 30-minute close like that, and 1 hour close. A good rejection too. If we have 30 pip, what's the range here? 200 pip. Do you see like we have to retest the low before we push up more? We retest the low like right here and then push up more. I don't think so. I think we will go this way instead of this way. The blue zone. Oh, here. Oh, you're thinking to buy here? Well, then might as well just get the sell. So let's say if you're thinking, yeah, exactly, I'm gonna sell to blue. This is gonna be my final TP. And then if this goes, if we are correct, I'm not gonna take a buy because it's Friday in New York. I don't trade New York on Friday 100%. I just want to relax for the day. But I think we can take a sell here right now since 1 hour and 30-minute close like that. But let's see where our zone, minor zone gonna be. This is the recent one. 1 hour, nothing, 30 minutes. Okay, we might have something here. So let's see, 15 minutes. 15 minutes. Let's see, 5 minutes. Okay. What about this one? Where is this on 15? 15. Okay, so this one is actually good. Okay, so I'm thinking if we take a sell right here, stop loss above, and then once the price come down here below this, we put a break even, first TP here, second TP there. How many pip is this though? 12, 30, 34, 3400. Okay, that's good. I really want to do 145.8, 24, 30. 145.8 plus 15. Okay. And then first TP here, second TP at 144.3. Yeah, just a couple bips above. RR is 4. Okay. I was thinking only sells to blue zone. Yeah. Okay. Okay, looks decent. This is 145.2 level. Okay. 0.2. I think we should be fine. The thing I'm worried about is that if my stop loss is kind of too tight from this zone, because usually I do 5 to 10 pip above, right? Right now it's 5 pip, but since we have daily range of 23, 230 pips, kind of high. Safe would be about 10 pip above. And like the safest is tab 145.8 and then have a 10 pips above, which is around 20 pip stop loss, 20-25 stop loss, and then we can go from there. That's the only thing that I'm worried about, that it will peak. Can we get 145? If we get 145.8, I'm gonna re-enter maybe, and then put a better stop loss. 0.8 right there. Yeah, I think I would have a pending there. Actually we're okay. 1 hour close bearish, 1 hour close bearish. We have the open, right? We have the open news. We have no news to fuck us up. Long wick in 5 minutes. Filled and continue. After the close below orange. Okay, we are good for break even. And then TP right there. We can actually TP some right there right now too. I think this one would be fine. 144.7. Just a little pip, couple pips above, just to be safe. Perfect. 5 minute didn't close above. 50-minute close below. Now 30-minute close below is very nice. And how many pips is this? Is yeah, 100. We risk about 30, right? 3,400. Full is 1,200. I mean 120. And we are only 1 hour after it opened. This is a very nice big move. Come back for retest here. Nice. Okay, we should TP close. Yeah, break even. We close part 80%. Continue. Ooh. 0.5, 0.6. Okay, good candle. Damn, 50-minute this close like that. And 5-minute kind of consolidate right now, making higher high maybe. 30-minute, 1 hour. I think we should be fine. Continue lower. The only thing is this kind of wick. We have to close below this to fill this wick, but we're not closing. Should we trail this? Let's trail it. Just trail to right here, maybe a retest, and then we continue. So this is 145.2. Let's do 145.3. Would it be okay if we do a full simulation for a month, an entire month? Oh, I don't know, man. Because 1 week, with this simulation, 1 week is take like an hour and a half to do, to go through and explain everything. And for entire month, it's gonna be a marathon for like 6 hours. I don't think I'll do it. Okay, so we hit stop loss in profit. And I think that is the Friday we're looking for because New York is coming up, right? So New York coming up, we are not trading New York at all. And we are done over. Maybe a series of simulation of a month. I mean, like swing perspective. I'm not quite sure what you mean. Okay, so we finish this whole week. This week is very nice. Oh, right here. This week. Yo. Yo, I just noticed something. Hold on. Thank you. Does this one look like? Okay, and I was gonna pull this here. Okay, so this is the current weekly outlook, right? Current weekly outlook. We have this happen. We have our break. Do the last retest here at the high. Go all the way down to this level, right? This is the current outlook, right? And this is based off daily. And if we look at the simulation. Does it look like the same thing? We have our break, and then consolidation retest, and then continue go lower, and we have a TP right there. That looks exactly the same as the current level, right? Current weekly. That if you held the buy, sorry, sell, you could grab this swing. Same as here, grab the swing. No, what I mean is you do a simulation for the first week of March, and next week you do a simulation of second week of March, and then so on and so forth. So we have journals. Oh, I would consider it, but I don't think so. Anyway, thank you everyone for joining. We'll talk to you guys later. It was fun.